but have to learn, and people we can't live without but have to let go. Don't rely on someone else for your happiness and self-worth. Only you can be responsible for that. If you can't love and respect yourself, no one else will be able to make that happen. Accept who you are completely, the good and the bad, and make changes as you see fit, not because you think someone else wants you to fit different. Love isn't safe, and whoever you love will hurt you. It's part of the human experience. No one is perfect. People make mistakes. The secret is to focus on what they do right and decide what's quirks you can live with. I'm just me. I'm not perfect. I'm me. I've made bad decisions and wrong choices, but I'm me. I've said the wrong things. I've said the right things because I'm me. I don't like everything I've done, but I did it because I'm me. I've learned the wrong people and trusted the wrong people, and I'm still me. If I had a chance to start again, I wouldn't change a thing. Why? Because I'm me. There are a lot of good things about me. You just need to look past the imperfections to see what's right. If you can't do that, then it's your lose. I'm the best I can be because I'm me. This is myself. This is me. This is my reality. I made mistakes in my life. I've let people take advantage of me, and I accepted way less than I deserve. But I've learned from my bad choices, and even though there are some things I can never get back and people who will never be sorry, I know better next time, and I won't settle for anything less than I deserve. I'm going to be fine. I'll always be. Yes, I will be. But please allow me a moment to express and display my sadness and discomfort. I know it will get better, but I need to also be honest and say my spirit is temporarily heavy, and not have to hide that. I have fed mouths that have talked shit about me. I've wiped tears off the faces of the people that have caused mine. I have picked up people that have tried to knock me down. I've done favors for people that can do nothing for me. I have been there for people that have not been there for me. Crazy, maybe, but I will not lose myself in the hatred of others. I continue to be me because I am who I am, and it is my nature. Life isn't easy, but even through all the bullshit, I will still be there being me. I am a strong woman. Everything that's hit me in life, I've dealt with on my own. I've cried myself to sleep, picked myself back up, and wiped my own tears. I've grown from things meant to break me. I get stronger by the day, and I have God. Thank you for that.